Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to log into your Deutsche Bank account online in Germany. So this is perfect if you want to check your balance, make transfers, or even manage your account without ever going to a branch. So first up, simply head over to the official Deutsche Bank website. So simply make sure it's the official website and that you see the secure HTTPS in the address bar. So next, you're also going to have to look for the login or online banking button. So simply click on it and you'll then be taken to the login page. From there, you then have to enter your user ID and your PIN or password. So make sure you type everything in carefully. And once you're logged in for the first time or from a new device, Deutsche Bank might send you a security code to your phone or your email for verification. So simply enter the code once you receive it and you'll then be in your account. And once you're logged in, you'll then be able to view your account balances, recent transactions, set up payments, or even download statements. And always don't forget to log out after you're done, especially if you're on a public or shared computer. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.